If you haven't watched the previous video about software installation and the very basics of image classification, object detection, and semantic segmentation, highly recommend that you go watch that video first to better understand the very basics. In this video, we'll go through real-time camera image classification, real-time camera object detection, and real-time camera semantic segmentation. In a terminal window running the Jetson Inference Docker container and with the current directory set to the Jetson Inference build arch64 bin directory, let's run imagenet.py. But instead of classifying an image file, this time we're going to classify a real-time camera feed. To do so, we're going to launch imagenet.py program, this time passing a new argument specifying the camera we are using. For this demonstration, we are using a MIPI CSI camera, and thus we'll pass CSI://0. If you are instead using a V4L2 camera, you can pass /def/video0 /imagenet.py space CSI://0. A new window with your camera feed and classifying results should pop up, and you can bring objects to the camera to test the classification abilities. Let's close this camera window. And now let's run real-time camera object detection. We're going to run detectnet.py, again passing an argument specifying the camera we are using. /detectnet.py space CSI://0. A new window with your camera feed and object detection results should pop up. You can bring objects to the camera to test the recognition capabilities. Let's close this window, and at last, let's run real-time camera semantic segmentation. We're going to run the segnet.py program, once again passing an argument specifying the camera we are going to use. /segnet.py base CSI://0. A new window with your camera feed and semantic segmentation results should pop up. You can bring objects to the camera to test the semantic segmentation results. And that is it for this real-time camera processing with image classification, object detection, and semantic segmentation. Thank you for watching.